Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a reminder clip for the beginner class at the Kenn Centre on the 7th of February 2023. We did an arm jive, a shoulder slide, a push spin and a half windmill. If you need teaching information for any of those, there are links to the teaching clips in the description below, and now we will show you how everything went together. Went like this, went 7 and 8. Arm jive, offer, left, right, shoulder, turn, face, return, shoulder slide, we went latch, catch, return for the push spin, we went flat, spin, catching the right for the half windmill, raise the right, raise the left and back. Obviously you could go back to two hands at that point if you wanted to loop the routine. That's it. Hope you find that useful. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end in the windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video, so you've got something nice to practice to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.